Okay, so today we're just going for a little walk. No particular goal. We headed down a street we haven't walked down before. Or I guess a street we've walked down, but we haven't walked down this far. Out of the central business area and into 100% residential, it looks like. So down here at the edge of the town, we have the Hotel Savoy, and then reconstruction, and you got a fixer-upper here if you're in the market. And so coming back around, you can see a little hazard with sidewalks here. It suddenly gets pretty narrow. Bar restaurant Zoitza, where we couldn't eat the other night because they were inexplicably closed. Well, they're open now though. Too bad I'm not hungry. Little impromptu market here. The mosque up there on the hill. So the river is slightly less impressive up on this end, although it looks more like an actual river than what it does going down into town. But cute little neighborhood. All right. Well, it heads back in the general direction of town, so let's see if it actually goes. So we've just come down from there, and we have our choice of up or down. So I chose up, because I'll always choose up. Maybe not that up. I don't know how much of a view you want to see. It's probably plenty of up.
Yeah, up either way.
So after consulting with Auntie Google and the direction of the road, we decided to carry on up the hill a little bit further. There's become an embassy there, a German flag, British flag, Albanian flag,
American flag?
American flag. Yeah, no, it's on the map. I saw Lake O'Reed guest house. I wonder if that's what this is. No? Boutique Hotel Cooperativa. Alrighty then. Okay, so now we're sort of back up above downtown. We've circled it basically, going down the street and up the hill. Okay, faced with the option to go straight or go downhill. Downhill is apparently the choice. Alright, so we've had our coffee and now we're walking back down towards town. Because I wanted to just get the street with all the exchange shops and the little markets and things. Following along. Just
How are we doing on bread?
we have half of the good loaf that we bought yesterday. So that'll get us through till Monday when we can get back to a bakery. This place is hopping. Deciding to go for a walk on a Saturday may not have been our brightest idea. Usually we come up here during the week and there'll be like 4 other people on the sidewalk within 6 blocks. Exploring side streets. Oh, that doesn't go through.
I was thinking that went through to the
That little alleyway, yeah, not so much. Okay, and then back down to the main drag. Hotel Ancalana. I just want to put an R in there for some reason. There's not. I know. And then right across from the lake there, the Sheshi Odioni, the amphitheater. It's this little square. Taverna Mokra is up there on the left, about 2/3 of the way up. Great little place. Someday we'll try fast food special once they finish their construction project and they don't have guys grinding metal directly over the top of the tables. And so every time we walk past that place, 7, I can't stop myself from thinking, what's in the box? I know, that's bad and wrong, but there's another fixer-upper thing going on. Actually, this is the building we looked at a few weeks ago. From the other side of the street, it looks like it's basically finished, but abandoned. From the downstairs level, it looks like it was finished a long time ago and abandoned.
Hi, we're Jeff and Sandra, American expats and nomads, living abroad on a budget, one country at a time.